Hello guys, welcome to episode 5 of Airplane Model Insights. In this episode we will discuss, we will see how the models which come in one piece, that is which need not be assembled, like 1-400 metal models JC Wings or 1-200 Gemini models or metal 1-200 models, how they are packed. Actually it's very easy to assemble, no assembly is required, it's very easy to unbox these models, but we'll see just in case, because in the previous episode we saw how to assemble a model and how the models which need to be assembled, how they are packed. So let's get started. So this is a Etihad Airways model. It's 1/4 scale JC Wings model. So you see they come in a box like this, and they're packed very nicely. You see the model is packed just like this. So it's pretty straightforward actually. You see the model is packed just like this, and you just need to unbox it like this. First of all, you have to remove the upper covering, this one, and then you have this airplane model here. It's put like this, and that's it. So no assembly is required in 1/400 models. Even the landing gears and everything, they are attached. So no assembly is required for these models. Landing gears and everything are attached, suspensions and everything is there. So yeah, we will not review the model in this video. We just saw how they are packed. So everything is present in, it's 1/400 metal models. They're one of the easiest to unbox and assemble. Now this is a 1-200 model Gemini jets. As you can see, it's a huge box. So because these models come in one piece and it's a 1-200 model, so these models need to be assembled only a little bit because the landing gears are not attached. Rest everything else is present. So let's unbox it. Let's see how to unbox these models, how to assemble these models. So first of all, to open this and very carefully. Okay, very carefully you need to do this. So the models comes in like this sort of sponge, and it's very good packaging because these models are fragile. They need to be packed with care and handled with care also. So you see, if I remove the upper sponge, you see here's the model. The model is kept, and see here's the stand, fully die-cast metal stand. So the stand, unlike in Hogan models, the stand is already in one piece. You need not do anything else for the stand. And here are the landing gears. As you can see, these are magnetic landing gears, very easy to set up, but yeah, you need to set them up. And here are the landing gear covers, like if you want to display it in flight, but these are also magnetic, that's a good thing. And here's the airplane model, everything is done, no wings or these things you don't need to assemble. So just take it out very carefully, okay? And these antennas are there which are pretty sharp, so you need to handle it with care. Don't break the antennas, and yeah. So yeah, this is our model. Now let's attach landing gears. So since these are magnetic landing gears, they're very easy to attach. For instance, you have this gear here. So this, you can just attach it like this, it is automatically attached. You can feel it, you can feel the magnet. This will also automatically attach. And then you have these gears. And the landing gears are also pretty sturdy. They are not fragile like in Hogan ones. They're also pretty sturdy in case of Gemini models, okay. So you can attach it like this. And this is the front gear, it actually turns, as you can see, it turns. So you can attach the front gear like this. You see, you might get confused. So this should be at the front. So this should be facing the front. So you should attach it like this. And your Gemini model is ready. So this is also, it's not pretty hard to assemble, unlike Hogan models. And now you can attach it on the stand, like you can put it on the stand. You can see the underside. So here you can set the stand in this here. And now your model is ready for display. Your model is ready for display. It's looking awesome. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and please stay tuned for the next episodes.